Chris Galbraith here from Michigan State University Extension. We're out here at the pumpkin cover crop demonstration plots at the farm of Victor Brenneman in Hillsdale County. On September 10th, 2024, we broadcast and drilled plots of cereal rye at 40 and 80 pounds of seed per acre. Pumpkins were then planted with a no-till planter on May 25th. Then, cereal rye was crimped 2 days following planting with a 5-foot crimper. In some plots, we added other cover crop species like crimson clover and hairy vetch. So we waited to crimp the cereal rye until the seed head was flowering. Here we can see the anthers, these little yellow structures that indicate that the rye is ready to crimp. So we just finished the roller crimping maybe a half hour ago, and the crimper has a chevron pattern where it crushes and crimps the stem in multiple spots. So we can see here different crush points on the rye stem. Here we have Canada thistle, which the cover crop did not suppress. So we're going to go through and spray this plot with Roundup with glyphosate just to try and kill some of these perennial weeds that did not get suppressed by the cover crop. In the fall, the cereal rye cover crop provided some weed suppression, though not perfect suppression, as weeds like common ragweed, mare's tail, horse nettle, and more were found to have still emerged through the rye residue in some areas. A thicker layer of cover crop residue could be beneficial here for further weed suppression. One advantage of the cover crop residue is that the pumpkins can stay cleaner because the fruit is not lying directly on the soil surface. Interested in roller crimping cereal rye? Check out the MSU fact sheet for tips on getting started.